everyone, I am Nastasia Brady, a master braider and educator. I am very passionate about sharing braiding techniques with braiders worldwide. Today, I'm very excited to share with you that I've co-developed the Vivatress Braiding Gel Ultimate Hold. For today's demo, we're going to be doing a freestyle stitch braids going to the back. This is normally a summer favorite and one of my favorite as well. So the first step in creating your style, you want to scoop a generous amount of your gel and apply it to your gel band. Now I'm going to take the teeth of the comb and apply some gel to our edges. Now that our edges is all sleek and shine, we're going to be making a heart design on the side. Now that we're ready to commit to our heart, we're going to take some gel on our index finger and we're going to run it along the lines that we parted before so we can get some clean, precise parts. The heart braid is going to be connected to a braid going to the back, so I'm just going to go in with my braid gel and clean up that section as well. At this point, we're going to be doing something that we call molding. You want to make sure you're using a very strong braiding gel when doing this step, non-flaking, non-greasy, just nice and sleek. So when molding, you want to make sure you apply the gel directly to the hair, a generous amount. You're going to go in with your comb and your index finger is going to pass behind it to sleek it down. You want to make sure you're adding your braid gel as you're braiding to the hair and the braiding hair to make sure it blends well. So we're now on our final braid and we're just repeating the steps that we took to do all the other braids. You want to add some product in your comb and comb it into your client's hair. You want to make sure it's properly saturated with the product so you have some clean, nice stitches. As you can see, it is very moisturizing. There's no flakes, it's very shiny, and it's still giving you the strong hold that you need. You want to pinch more hair than you actually need. You're going to slice the hair with your pinky going towards the middle of the braid, and then you're going to catch it with your thumb and your index finger. Now that we're done braiding, we're going to go in and do our finishing touches, which includes sleeking our baby hair. So this is our final look. I hope you guys love it. Take a good look. Cute little freestyle. I really enjoy using these products and I hope you guys do too.